A great feature in Microsoft Word is dictation. This enables you to actually talk out what it is you're wanting to type, and Microsoft Word will automatically pop that onto your Word document that you can then edit. So this is a great idea for a brain dump, for example. And certainly the dictation feature is a lot more sophisticated as a result of a lot of the AI like Alexa and Siri, etc. So let's have a look at how it works. First of all, you need to have a microphone. So whether it's a headset and a microphone or a separate microphone, you must have that in order to dictate. Over here we have the dictate button. If you click on it, it activates the dictate feature. And you can see that it's actually listening for the things I say. And as I'm talking it out, it is typing information in. Full stop. So this is a great way of actually just talking out your information and then coming back to edit afterwards. If you want to stop the dictate, you simply click on the microphone button and it switches it off. You can switch it back on to resume it. The little cog allows you to test your microphone, change your language. You can see here mine's working. If you've got problems, you can troubleshoot it. And you can close the bar down, close dictation down by clicking the cross. That's dictation in Microsoft Word.